how to change Spotify username. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can change your Spotify username, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you would like to change your username on Spotify, first of all let me tell you that Spotify has two names. One is a username, the other is a display name. So if I open up Spotify and then let me just go ahead and then log into my account, right? Unfortunately, let me tell you right away, you can't change your Spotify username because it's a unique string of characters that identifies you on Spotify. However, you can change the display name which appears on your profile, playlist and app. If you're worried about your username appearing, do not worry, your username will not appear on profiles and so on. It's just for you personally that identifies your account. The thing that is going to identify and show on profiles and songs is your display name. So you can change the display name by coming to your profile icon, going to settings and privacy, or simply going to your particular profile option, then just tapping on your display name option if you want to change your display name. But you can't change your username because your username is unique to everybody. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.